Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your remote control key with your BMW 1 Series car. Okay, the first step is we can open the car by using the open key button, and of course we can close the car by pushing on the BMW brand button. That it is how to open and close your car easily. BMW brand mark means close it, and the upper is to open the car. If you like to go on the trunk, push and hold this button to open it. Then only the trunk is open. You can open it and close it again easily, isn't it? If your car is closed, you can switch on the coming home function by the bottom key. And there is more. If you keep pushing and holding the unlock key, the car will open the rooftop and your windows immediately, as you can see. This is wonderful in summertime. And of course, you can close all doors and of course your rooftop too by pushing the BMW button and keep holding it. Then everything's closed immediately and your car is safe. Job's done. That's all possible with your remote control key. Of course, inside this control key you have an old school key, but this is in other videos. That's easy. Open the upper button. BMW brand button, close. Trunk button is to open the trunk. And the bottom line is the button line button. The bottom line button is to have the come home function on. That means your LED, etc. will goes on and shows you where the car is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.